So this is a vlog that I've been meaning to put together, and this is a cousin trip that one of my cousins planned. We all had assigned shirts. It all had our names on it. Mine was Bossy Cousin, but everybody said that didn't fit me, but I let it be. So this is the house we stayed in. There was 9 of us there at the trip. One was acting like she wasn't coming, but she came. You'll see that in the video.
We about to go eat and Sam in the bag.
I only on go.
Yeah.
Y'all, now this clip is funny because it wasn't even my cousin's birthday, but you know, we wanted a little dessert to try, so we sang her little happy birthday. And this is us back at the Airbnb. It was our granny's birthday. She's passed away a couple years back, but we did a balloon release for her. Brianna surprised us. So we did like the color cocktail challenge. Red was my color, so I was the number 1. That's why I picked the number earlier in the video. And this is everybody in their order.
Everybody give me $2. What is the resolution for heart rate?
Yeah. What do you do?
How do you fix
This girl
that?
said she be sucking
I eat
dick.
mustard.
Wait, let her tell the story. Stop.
Hurry up.
I eat mustard.
No, bitch.
No. Wait, let's take one. That's a blooper, bitch.
Now
Hold
start
on.
it over. She wasn't ready yet.
Guys, I'll eat.
Okay. Let us
You
know.
too, Libby.
Let us know.
Okay, so I'm gonna interview her.
Okay, you don't do it, but what did Google tell
What
you
did
to
Google
do
tell you
that you may or may not
make
have
your
done?
heartburn?
That was when I was pregnant.
Okay, great, even better.
We're not clarifying. We
What
just
happened?
She swallowed.
What?
That's the cue.
So you get heartburn, you gotta swallow some cum. You don't
Have to. It's an option. It's always a choice, baby.
you feel me?
But it worked, right?
We woke up this morning and we waking bacon.
Baby. Now I have been up since 4 o'clock. Just like 5 o'clock. I ain't been up yesterday since like.
So we're up and we're about to go to brunch and then pole dancing. The bossy cousin.
Petty cousin.
Jerica. Yes.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
So like we was walking behind everybody and they left us. Like, yeah, we went to the bathroom and stuff, but the thing about it is they didn't even look back and they didn't check up on us to see if we were okay. It's giving, wow, we could have been kidnapped.
Snatched on these streets.
On these streets. Even though we got protection, but still. I lied, guys. This is the one that we're in.
You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. Give me a anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
We didn't have pole dancing. Now we just taking naps until we going to eat at Cocktail Kitchen. Something like that. But I'll be back.
Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my.
Y'all, so I'm cooking today. What's up, y'all? So I'm home from work. And remember, I had kept my pot roast on. I'm gonna show y'all.
Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. All summer. All summer. $4-5.
Y'all just got off, and today I'm supposed to be hosting, but 2 other girls are hosting too. But I'm really not up for the attention. But all my friends did tell me they were coming, so I need to stop sleeping on myself. Like, my bitches ain't gonna pull through. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna be recording that tonight. Y'all, I took forever to get ready. I'm waiting on my friend now. I'm picking her up. Yeah, so yesterday was okay. Like, the club was new, so it wasn't really. My phone cut off because of that Beyonce album I'm about to listen to. But yeah, it was alright. But me and my friends had fun. We turned up together. And yeah, I'm about to end this vlog because I have another one coming. I have to go out of town and I have to go shopping for it at Target. Thank you for watching.